All right, so we're here at Meadows. We have been filling in for a year over here. Y'all remember? So right here, you'll see we put some rocks over there as to keep people from coming in. We stopped all dumping. We've taken all the fill that we can handle on the job site right now. You know, eventually when somebody buys this property, they will come in and they will bring that across the whole front. So we're a little bit high right there. So we'll pull that down, move it over here. We'll pull the top of that hill, move it over here, make it level across the front, push it out further to the back. So it won't be a big deal. So let's go, let's just walk over. So we had about 10 feet of fill right here in the front, if you remember. You know, at the moment, I got no plans for this land. So it's not like I'm sitting on the land saying, well, I got to do this right here. It's just going to sit. You know, we had somebody needing to dump some fill. They dumped the fill. We're just going to let the land sit. And they're supposed to be upgrading water lines here and some stuff like that. When they get all that done, then we may look at selling or building. We just got to see.
The city does that.
No, the city does what?
Gets the water.
Well, that would be the White House water. Or the city's trying to get some grant money to help pay for some of that. And there's a lot of working parts in there trying to get this done.
And if you try to do it yourself, obviously that's going to cost a crap ton.
Yeah.
So you're just going to wait till they do it.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, this land, I don't have any money in this land, so this land ain't costing me anything really. Very little. I paid $114,000 for my water. We kept the well. The lady I bought the land from said that well doesn't ever run dry. You can leave the water run all day, all night. It never runs dry.
Really?
Which is pretty cool.
With that well, you could sell this land right now to somebody else.
With the well?
Yeah.
What they gonna do with the well?
Well, if someone's trying to like make a little homestead, right? A little house on the prairie, right?
They can't afford this piece of land. If they're trying to do a homestead, they can't afford this piece of land.
Yeah, that's true.
It's not, the numbers ain't gonna work. So he's supposed to come back and seed and straw this hill and get some seed on it. If you go back over these trees on the other side over there, about 1,000 feet, there's a blue line stream. So we got to stay away from that. So we're not going back further because I don't want any of my stuff to wash over there. And it just gets too close to everything. Our goal will be, once we decide what we're going to do with this right here, we will pull all those trees out over there. We'll pull the trees out over here and we will fill in more that way.
Okay.
And go across it. I don't know. I'll get the state involved whenever I start doing that because I need them to look at everything that I'm doing to make sure that everything is good. Covering up right here is no big deal. This is just dirt. But you get back there, you start getting close to where there's some water. You got to be on your best behavior for that.
You need permission to cut down that many trees.
I don't need permission to cut the trees down.
Oh.
You start filling, you don't want to be wrong in it when you start doing that. So let's go. I want to talk about the road up here.